Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to this car tech video. In this video we're going to show you how to change the mileage on a Kia Sportage or any Kia really. We're using the Xtool X100 Pro 2 kit, which I'm going to put a link to this kit in the description below this video and also in the comments box below this video. So this is the tool here. It's plugged into the diagnostic port. One end of this cable is plugged into the tool, one end is in the diagnostic port. Once the tool is plugged in, you really just need to go to the dashboard setting here, so we'll click OK to that, and it's going to ask you to select your vehicle. So we're going to go to Kia and we're going to select our vehicle, which is a Sportage. There is Sportage GT and R as well, but we're just clicking Sportage. If you're not entirely sure which one of these is correct, it's just a case of trial and error. For us, we need to click on this bottom one here, and it's going to ask us miles or kilometers. So it's going to ask us to put a new file in. This is basically a backup file. We can click new file. So we'll just click. We've already got a few other files from different vehicles. So we're going to go through the process of making this 03. Okay, and then it's telling us what the mileage is now, 27,299, which is close enough. We're going to change this now, and we're going to go and say, for example, we want the mileage to be 31,188. I'm going to say 31,188. So we'll click OK to that. Communicating. It's done a quick refresh of the dashboard. Adjustment complete, and it's giving us now 31,189. So it's giving us within 1 mile, which is close enough, I suppose. So yeah, adjustment complete, and that's all thanks to the Xtool X100 kit. As I say, it's a great tool to have if you are in the business of changing mileage, adjusting mileages. If you're a mobile mechanic, a garage, a workshop, or you just need to do it on your own vehicle. It covers a wide range of vehicles. So I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video, and also in the comments box as well. Thanks for watching this car tech video, and I'll see you next time.